Hey y'all, it's Chris. Welcome back. We got some more Prime deals. Let's dig into some of the stuff that isn't necessarily directly for canning, but it helps you out tremendously if you have it, and it makes canning a heck of a lot easier. All right, y'all. First deal I found this little guy right here. I have a different brand, I think, but this is a vegetable chopper. I think my chopper has all these blades too, but I think I've really only used like the square blades for the onion. Like I do onions and potatoes, like you guys have seen us doing onions, peppers, and potatoes before. So this is a definite must to make your food prep so much easier. Okay, y'all. This is awesome. I don't have this one, but this is an Amazon choice. And for $6.97, this is a great deal. Mason jar opener for canning lids, and it's got like a bottle opener on the other end. This is fantastic. I have a couple of these, and we love them for opening jars and bottles. All right, y'all, next on the list 120 pack of 500cc food grade oxygen absorbers. This is not bad, I would say. 15% off. Yeah. 700 cc's at 14.39. That's a good deal too. I would definitely pick up some oxygen absorbers. You can store, like, say you got a half-gallon jug and you want to put a bunch of like macaroni noodles or something in there. Chuck some of these in there. Vacuum seal the lid down. That's a good airtight system you can use to preserve spaghetti or elbow noodles. All right, here's a nice one. This has oxygen absorbers, half pint, quart, and gallon Mylar bags that are sealable, that are reclosable. So this might be a pack that you would purchase if you've never done anything in Mylar and you're looking to get into Mylar. This is a pretty good little pack. I would have definitely bought this in the beginning had I had the opportunity to do this. And this is one of those where you can either seal it with like a flat iron or just iron with an actual regular iron. You can seal the top of it shut. Okay, y'all, this one, I actually own this one. This is the Cuisinart 7 Cup Pro. This thing is my workhorse, and this is a great deal, 24% off of the Cuisinart. I definitely like my Cuisinart. I think it just is a great brand, and everything has lived up to years and years and years of abuse of me canning. Here is another amazing opportunity. The Ninja Kitchen System, all-in-one food processor blender for smoothies. It's got the pitcher, it's got the to-go cups, it's got the bowl with a handle. This thing, 41% off. If anything you buy today or in the next couple days, get this one. I love our Ninja, and Greg and I make smoothies in our little cups all the time, and we love them. So this is a definitely, yes, go get it. All right, y'all, this is pretty nice. Look at this. If you're into the enamelware type pots, which I have a couple of these, I call them my corn pot. I don't know why. I think that's what it was called on the box. But look at this, 40% off. Colander jar lifter funnel. This is pretty good. I'm digging this. $59.99. It's definitely something I would pick up. All right, y'all know I like to ferment, and this looks like a really great deal. 15% off. You get a pack of 4, and this is for wide mouth mason jars. And you get the lids and the pickle pipes. And this is awesome. This is a really easy way to ferment. And that's a really good deal. And only 9% claim so far, so that's good. All right, y'all. I'm going to do a one hardcore don't do it. This is an Amazon choice prime deal, 15% off, 12 pack of 32-ounce mason jars. Please don't do this. Please do not buy this one. Go to Walmart. Go to your local Tractor Supply or Farm Supply. They're cheaper there. So leave these alone and go local with your mason jars. So, yeah, don't do this one. Okay, here are some 18-inch extra long wooden spoons. I cannot find an Amazon deal, but $12.99 for 2 of these, that's not bad. That's 18 inches. That's a really, really big spoon. Oh, that's one. Okay, sorry. $19.99 for 2 of them. So this is still a good deal. I would definitely do this, and I'll keep looking for a uh, better deal than $12.99 for one. But that's actually worth it in my book. All right, y'all. This guy was on sale yesterday. Today it's not on sale. Got 17 left in stock. If you can grab it, grab it. This is I mean, I think this is the highest price, but this is the ladle that I absolutely love. So I would grab this one if you can. If not, go get one of those other amazing deals. So, okay, that's today. I'm going to keep an eye out the rest of the evening, and then maybe we'll come at you with a video tomorrow to go over some other sales. So, keep looking. Comment below. Let me know what what I'm looking for is working for you. So, the link is going to be in the description of everything that we've got going on. I've got a store on Amazon, so you can check all this out. So, till we see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.